Hey there, I'm Rihanna, your backpacking bestie from Australia. In this video, we're hiking Mount Batur with the best tour guide in Bali. We kicked off our day at 2:30 a.m, hiked under the stars and made it to the top just in time for the breathtaking sunrise. While the sky lit up around us, we had breakfast with an unforgettable view and then began the journey back down. This channel is not just about the destination, it's about the people we meet along the way that make every place so special. So come with me today as we climb Mount Batur.
So we have peer pressured Anna into coming to Mount Batur. Yay! It's Girls' Day! And the other person who's coming is a guy, but Girls' Day! We are eating here for brekkie. Selamat pagi! Apa bakal? Wow, enak. Terima kasih.
Thank you.
This looks so good.
Wow.
Yay! That's all right. Do you want to film my food? Of course you can. We are pampering at Bali Spa. Yay! Girls' Day!
Excited?
Yay! Yay! Massage time! I fell asleep. Oh, nice. You go. Thank you, terima kasih. Bye. We are back here because it's way too good not to come back. We are at Maya. Hello, Mount Batur. Terima kasih. Hello. Look at bunnies. Ah! I don't think we're allowed to touch them. Can we touch or no?
Yes.
Yeah? It would.
No.
No? Do you want some? You take some. Yum. This looks good. Let's eat. So us backpacking besties got little matching bracelets to remember each other by. They're not matching, but they're matching in our heart. Oh my gosh, look at all those chickens. It is definitely peak time.
It's bedtime.
And it is bedtime. We got to wake up in like 7 hours, don't we? It's 2:30. It's ready to volcano. I can't even talk. Volcano hike time. Uh-oh. All right, it is 4 o'clock. Good morning. We have Chloe, we have Anna, we have Lionel, we have Leah, and we have Emma. Morning. This is our little groupie crew and our beautiful tour guide. Yeah. He's family now, though. All right, we need coffee. Terima kasih. Yay, and they're purple.
Yes, I love that.
Love that. And ready? You're ready? Are we all ready? I'm definitely ready. Yay! How we going, guys? Are we alive? Yeah, we're okay. I am sweatier than anything, but we're having a good time. Bamf is, he's saving us. He's holding our hands. We're sliding everywhere. All right, let's go.
I have taken over the vlog because VM is dead. I'm not sorry.
These are my groupies.
We're all suffering here.
Are we all alive? Yay!
We're alive!
We're alive, guys.
We're alive! Yay!
C'est chaud un peu.
So you can feel the heat from the volcano through the little hole.
That's
so cool. Stand alive, stand alive. Oh, just don't look down, guys. We're nearly there. Nearly there.
And almost done.
Yeah. Twice. We made it. How do you feel?
Not sorry.
How was it? How was the hike up?
It was very difficult, but it was.
It was worth it?
Worth it.
Yeah. How did you guys find it?
So nice. He loved it.
Yeah? Was it really hard? Don't talk, Leo. I know you said Leo does hikes all the time, so it's easy for him. But look at the beautiful view that we have. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Oh,
Be careful. It's hot.
Thank you.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
cheers. I can't complain right now. We got a hot chockey, beautiful friends, and a beautiful view. I'm happy. So, Anna, are you glad we peer pressured you?
What do you think? Look at me right now.
You are glowing. You look so happy. Excellent. Peer pressure is good.
Yes.
Peer pressure is very good. And breakfast is served. Oh my gosh, that looks really good.
Enjoy.
Terima kasih. Have eggs and bread, and it's kind of sweet bread, but it's pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna watch you do it, and then I'm gonna learn from you and what you actually do. Oh, that was easy. Oh, it's a different kind of color egg, isn't it?
Oh no.
Delicious.
Nice.
Smells good.
We made it to Mount Batur.
Yay! You! Go, Ben. I'm very happy right now. Look how beautiful this view is. It was worth the 2:30 wake up, wasn't it? The 3 hours sleep. 3 hours sleep. Yeah. Recommend. Worth it. 10 out of 10. The quote of the holiday is what?
Insufficient storage.
Insufficient storage. How many times is that now, Chloe? Every day.
It's good since
She refuses to get Google storage. Silly girl. Get it down the price tag. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Dig, dig, dig. Get about the price. You know what? I'm forgetting about the price tag because you can't put money on this.
cannot.
This is priceless.
Experiences over things.
Yes, I'm so glad you came, girlie. I'm so glad you're here. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. We're so happy right now that we're 6 a.m.
3 hours sleep.
Vibing. This is living. Here we are above the clouds, aren't we?
Coming. Come,
Maybe.
banana. Baby, banana.
Oh, watch out.
Hold on.
Hold on. Stop. You're a bad mum, you get scraps. They're quite even tempered, aren't they?
Can you?
You're greasy.
Sorry guys.
I beat them all. he likes you. Monkey man with monkey. These are your people, aren't they?
I don't want to beat you if you're hungry with me. I don't want to.
Why are you angry with us? We give you food.
I touch the other.
Oh, you touched the baby.
This belongs to you.
Oh. Bams, go away.
This volcano used to be like the biggest volcano, and then used to be together with this mountain. Which one? Mount Batur.
Wow.
No, this one, Mount Abang. So we call this Mount Abang. So usually we do have like 7 volcano in Bali,
Wow.
and then 2 is more active right now. So Mount Batur and Agung. So Agung.
So this is an active volcano.
This is an active
When was it
volcano.
last erupted?
It was in 2000.
2000s.
2000 there was the last explosion,
Wow.
and also there's like a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
And the biggest explosion there was in 1926.
Wow.
So in 1926 there was like the biggest volcano also, the biggest volcano explosion in Asia.
Wow.
So
That's crazy.
the smoke that was covering all around of Asia.
Yeah.
On that year.
And Banff was saying that the volcano steam is from over there.
That's mean our volcano is still active volcano, so there are like a little activity
Yeah.
coming out. And also
Wow.
you can even touch the ground that's
It's hot. Wow. Crazy.
So actually we're standing on the crater.
Yeah.
One of
So this is the equator now.
This is the first crater. Look right there.
Wow.
Ouais, c'est du crater, c'est du Oh ouais, le poumé c'est du.
We're on top of Mount Batur.
It's such a great one.
So you have the option to catch a taxi down the hill, but of course we're walking. I'm on my way. Oh no. And on my way. We made it! Yay! I 100% recommend the experience. 10 out of 10. Our guide made it probably the best experience ever. I'm very happy with him. I'll link his Instagram below.
Thank you so much, Hannah.
Hey, brother! Thank you! 10 out of 10. Best tour guide. Thank you, Bam. Senpai Jumper. Senpai Jumper.